If you want to sleep better, can you eat something to make that happen? Yes and no. So it's not just about what do you eat. It's also about when do you eat and what your natural sleep schedule look like. So combining all this knowledge together and help you improve your sleep quality. We call this approach chrononutrition. So let's first talk about when should you eat to promote your sleep. So there are 3 key words here: consistent, early, and time restricted. So meal timing actually can impact our gut microbiota. But research found if we eat too much at late night, or if we eat irregularly often, that actually could change our gut microbiome's composition. And this kind of change could really mess up our circadian rhythm and our metabolic system. And it could lead to more inflammation, more health problem, and of course, poor sleep. That's why you should consider to eat on a regular schedule consistently and try to avoid eating too late, even if you are a night owl. So another trend in the sleep literature is a time-restricted diet. One study in Germany asked 99 participants to restrict their eating within 8 to 9 hours window every day, and then fast for the rest 15 to 16 hours. And they keep on doing this day after day for 3 whole months. After that, researchers find their sleep quality improved dramatically. So all these are some important findings how meal timing can really impact our sleep. Now let's talk about what should you eat to optimize your sleep. There are a lot of food options out there. It's actually not about what exact food you are eating. It's more about the elements within the food that contribute to a better sleep. For example, melatonin. I had another video talk about how melatonin supplements can help you, but also may make you drowsy if you take too much. So if you want to avoid the daytime drowsiness, you can try to get melatonin from food. For example, tart cherry juice, or milk, some kind of fruit, or some kind of animal food. They all could contain different amount of melatonin. If you eat this kind of food, you can increase the melatonin concentration within your system, and then naturally help you sleep better without the side effects. Also, food with low fat, low sugar, low carb, and has a lot of amino acids. For example, Mediterranean diet. A lot of research finds this kind of diet can really help us improve sleep quality and reduce the symptoms of insomnia for both children and adults and older adults. These are only some examples. There are a lot more food options out there for you to choose from. But everyone is different, so it's very important to find what works for you. So let's summarize. If you want to sleep better, you try to eat more regularly, eat a little bit earlier, and try to restrict your eating time. Also, you need to choose what you eat that works best for you. I think the literature is really exciting as we are learning more and more about sleep, nutrition, and all the other health benefits out there. However, I want to emphasize mealtime and those food options should not be a way for you to use to control your sleep. If you are trying to use food to save your sleep, then you may be disappointed. The bottom line is we really need to learn how to relax our mind, drop our worries about sleep. Then our sleep has room to really start happen naturally. And that's the key for sleep. So I really hope we can all learn from the sleep research and maybe make baby step changes to make our sleep better, our life happier and healthier. Thank you for your interest in sleep science. Please remember, sleep is an individualized thing. I really hope you could find what works the best for you. I'm Dr. Yishan. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye. Are you struggling with insomnia? Do you know there's one method out there? It's first-line treatment in many countries. It's very evidence-based and it's very effective. And it's called CBTI. So I have designed this 4-week-long CBTI course to help you recover from insomnia without relying on medication. I provide weekly Q&A sessions to help you tailor the treatment to your own needs and your own sleep pattern. Check it out at this website, mindbodygarden.com/insomnia.